Okay, this is part 2 on how to unblock our solar plexus chakra. In this tapping, we are going to focus on releasing insecurities and increasing self-confidence. And most importantly, we're going to take all of our energy and power back from people, places, and things that maybe we have unconsciously given our personal power away. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. So we're going to start with the side of the hand right here. I'm feeling really insecure about myself. I'm lacking confidence. I'm struggling to tap into my personal power. It feels like this is my normal. I have no confidence in myself. I don't believe in myself. Even though I feel this way, I completely love and accept myself anyway. I burp when I'm tapping, so I'm sorry about that. Even though I lack confidence in myself, I choose to feel differently today. I'm ready to tap into my inner strength and see what happens when I believe in myself. All right, just so you know, when you're tapping, there are many types of release. So like I said, I burp, but you could be yawning, there could be crying, laughing, all of those things. They're normal and they're actually good. All right, so let's get ready to tap through the points. I'm feeling insecure right now. I'm lacking confidence in myself. I don't trust myself. I doubt myself all the time. I doubt my abilities and talents. I feel like I'm not good at anything. I'm not even good at the thing I'm supposed to be good at. I feel so unsure of myself and my abilities. I don't feel like I can trust my decision-making skills. I need other people to make decisions for me. Sometimes I even ask other people what food I should order for dinner. I don't even trust myself to make those kinds of decisions. So how can I expect to trust myself to make big decisions for my life? That seems scary. What if I make the wrong decision and mess it all up? It's easier to blame other people. So if things go wrong, I don't have to blame myself. I can say they did it to me. But I know this is not how I want to live my life. I don't want to give my power away. But I do it all the time. But today is different. I can feel it. Today, I'm allowing my confidence in myself to grow. I choose to trust my abilities. I have an inner GPS. I'm just not using it. I'm using other people's GPS. It sounds kind of silly now that I think about it. Why am I using other people's maps to reach my destination? I have my own map. I'm going to start using it from today. Because my inner GPS will lead me to my highest good. I cannot expect anyone else to do that for me. I'm responsible for my own life. I'm capable of achieving my goals. I'm learning to believe in myself. I'm learning to tap into my inner confidence. I release other people's opinions and validations. I'm calling all of my energy back to me now. Calling it from every person and place, from the past, present, and future. I'm coming back to myself in the present now. And I'm allowing my inner confidence to shine. All right, that's it. And you can do that tapping as many times as you'd like, every single day if you want to. Let me know in the comments below how you feel before and after the tapping. And I hope that you experience positive shifts in your life. Don't forget to be open and to be aware of those changes and shifts. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.